In number 73, we are multiplying two trinomials, and so what you would need to do is distribute the x to that second trinomial, so that would give you x squared plus xy minus 3x. Then you're going to distribute the y to everything in that second parentheses, which that would give you plus xy plus y squared minus 3y. And then the last thing that we need to do is we need to distribute that positive 3 to everything in that second parentheses. So that would give us a positive 3x plus 3y minus 9. Now all we have left is really to combine like terms, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in standard form. So it looks like we only have an x squared. Now I'm going to look for anything with x to the first power. It looks like I have an xy, another xy, so that would be positive 2xy. Now then I have some terms that have just x, like negative 3x plus 3x, but I'm noticing those will cancel. And then it looks like I have a y, let's look here. I've got the negative 3y plus 3y, that will also cancel. And I do notice that I have a y squared that I need to include. And then I have a minus 9. So a lot of times students ask, how do you put that in descending order? I just go with regards to x because it comes first alphabetically. So notice you'll see x to the second power, x to the first power. Then I put any terms that don't have x, and then lastly just your constants.